C'est la première fois que j'avais une réaction aussi forte, je pense, après la lecture d'un scénario, puis en rencontrant en fait le personnage, parce que j'étais à la fois fascinée et dégoûtée de ce personnage-là, si on veut. J'avais beaucoup d'appréhension, je dirais, à l'aborder. Et donc j'ai dit oui, parce que le personnage, en fait, venait me chercher, c'est ça, de façon assez contradictoire. Moi, c'était la première fois où je devais aborder un personnage qui est autant dans la représentation de soi-même, si on veut, autant dans la séduction. Et ça m'a demandé un travail qui est assez différent de la façon que j'ai déjà travaillé, c'est-à-dire que ça m'a demandé d'avoir une conscience très extérieure de moi-même tout à coup pendant qu'on travaillait, pour être consciente, je dirais, de l'effet que mon personnage a sur les autres, parce que mon personnage est beaucoup dans l'effet qu'elle a sur les autres.
But how can you be at ease around someone you hate?
It's easy.
How's that?
He's comfortable around them because he despises them, like he's insecure.
Okay. Does anyone want to contest that?
What was interesting to me about it was that it represented a man who, a middle-aged man, in the case of Benjamin, who on the outside of his life, on the exterior side of his life, everything seemed normal and average, but who was living at the same time, I think, a very strong crisis, and where he was actually losing control of his life. Right. And I think, as you approach middle age and you question there's more distance between you and certain decisions that you took earlier. So, yeah, it definitely had, it definitely resonated a lot with me. I think in many respects he represents every man. And so in that case, he represented someone to me on the outside very normal. I guess the difference is that I have a tendency in film to play sort of fantastical characters or, or bad guys in American productions, or it's a different sort of scale of working. I mean, they can be fun to do those sorts of movies, but here there was no place to hide with him, because I think you're representing someone that I think that if you see him walk down the street, there's nothing necessarily extraordinary about him. So I guess the danger with playing a guy who's quite ordinary, at least on the outside, is to try to make him extraordinary. But